Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect Dorman trading to TradingView in 2026. Now, in order to do this, first of all, come here on tradingview.com. Afterwards, when you log in into your account, you just have to simply launch any of the charts in front of you. Now, if you don't know how to open the chart of any of the tickers over here, you can click on this watch list icon on the top right hand corner of the screen. Here you will see some of the tickers. So you can click on any one of these and its chart will be opened in front of you just like so. Now, when you see this type of chart analysis page, simply click on the option of trading panel in the bottom left hand corner. Here it is going to show you the list of all of the brokers that can be easily connected with TradingView. Now, since we are looking for Dorman trading, you can either look for its icon here in the list, but in my opinion, it will be very hectic for you to find it here. So you can use the search bar on the top right hand corner. Then when you search for Dorman here, you will find Dorman trading icon. So this is exactly what we are looking for. Simply click on the Dorman icon here, then click on the option of connect. Now it is going to redirect you on the login page of Dorman. Over here, you just have to do nothing but to just provide your TradingView username and your password and simply click on the option of sign in. So this way you will be able to connect Dorman trading to TradingView in 2026. If this video helped you out, consider subscribing to the channel and liking the video. Thanks for watching.